Magandang gabi. Narito na ang 9 p.m. Lotto result. Araw ng Martes, September 24, 2024. Sa 2D Lotto 9 p.m. draw. 24 and 21 in exact order. Sa 3D Lotto 9 p.m. draw. 3, 4, and 7 in exact order. Sa 6D Lotto, ang winning numbers ay 6, 6, 2, 4, 3, and 8 in exact order, with the first prize of 1,232,205 pesos and 92 centavos. At ito naman po ang breakdown ng 6D Lotto with their corresponding prizes. Sa Lotto 642, ang winning numbers ay 8, 16, 19, 34, 4, and 38 in any order, with a jackpot prize of 5,940,000. Sa Super Lotto 649, ang winning numbers ay 39, 46, 19, 36, 9, and 49 in any order, with the jackpot prize of 71,921,015 pesos and 20 centavos. At sa Ultra Lotto 658, ang winning numbers ay 24, 22, 32, 45, 48, and 43 in any order, with a jackpot prize of 195,999,171 pesos and 60 centavos. Ngayong Miyerkules sa Mega Lotto 645 na may estimated jackpot of 65 million. At sa Grand Lotto 655 na may estimated jackpot prize of 29 million. Lotto draws ngayong Miyerkules, Easy 2 Lotto, Suertres Lotto, 4D Lotto, Mega Lotto 645 at ang Grand Lotto 655. Maraming salamat po. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan na mag-like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell.